Our school partners with the parent body on a level that is literally out of this world. I've never seen a more involved PTC, which is the Parent-Teacher Connection. And it's nothing for you to walk into our campus and a parent decorating a bulletin board, or to walk into the hallways and see a group of parents walking around distributing snacks or breakfast to the teacher. We just have a really involved parent body, and I think that does wonders for the students to know that home and school is so connected. It makes for a more comfortable learning environment, because when you know that your parents are so involved at the school, that lets you know that, hey, there's something that my mom or my dad really likes about the school. There's something that makes them feel comfortable, so of course that's going to make the kids feel comfortable. And we all know that students are very receptive to anything whenever they're comfortable. And again, we really want to make sure our kids feel supported and at home. I think having that parent involvement and having such strong parent involvement helps us to create that nurturing environment.